Woman no easy, you know. When it comes down to malice, they come like them have a PhD. So
May I be difficult? No. Sometimes you have to just turn and teach them a lesson. Yeah.
Listen, I understand when you and Mr. Mullins are getting at you. But what I want to understand is I saw an opportunity and we must admit that this is a problem we need to be eliminated ASAP.
Kim, this is not an ordinary youth we are dealing with. He's well trained. And Mr. Mullins fear that he might retaliate in a more dangerous manner.
Listen, that is why we can't deal with him in an ordinary manner. Check the levels. The first time I saw him in that vicinity, almost at the exact spot, I didn't rush him, I never even recognized him. But and he's turned up missing. Now I see him almost the same place in the community. I know me actually him there now. I know you tell me she commit suicide. I don't believe in that kind of coincidence.
Me either, King. We just have to work with the evidence we present. And the evidence show that it was suicide. The sad part about it is, we can't touch Tony. Because we don't even know what he look like.
Miss Person, that is the difference between you guys and I. Me, not shackled by need of evidence. You understand?
King, if you make any wrong move, it can be traced right back to you, to your association with the agency. And we cannot afford that.
Miss Person, we have to admit it's a serious situation and a wrong move is better than no move at all.
Kareem? Come here. You know that some of my supper drink can go in the fridge, right? And please make sure them face out so we can see the words supper drink. Pick up your tablet, let me see it here. You realize that you wander, right?
I soon find somebody official to do me here.
Okay.
Not with this agency. And you know that too, King. Now we're in a deep waters. Because we have to go do a full report. Which may put Tony further away from us.
Miss Person, are we really telling me, say, this man is become untouchable? I mean, just must sit down on my and them while him and wreak havoc in my community?
Yes, kid. And that me say. It have to work that way then. Tony gathered up with lawyer, police, which makes him extremely untouchable. So we can't make the wrong move. We just have to wait.
Miss Person, understand this. You guys having this girl lost on your watch is also on my watch. See all the drinks, see it up. You understand? And I don't take it lightly because unlike you guys were on the peripheral, and me, everyone in the community I look to.